What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today was a really interesting day. I got a lot to cover. Fang just reported, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, they all reported, they all killed it. But before I even talk about anything else, if you're new here, what we're doing is basically trading a small amount of money into a large amount of money. We started this account last week with $400. We're currently almost at $800. We had a red day today. I'm going to cover a ton of information, so stay tuned. And if you want to join the Discord, all you got to do is click on the comment section below, click on the pinned comment, and you'll be brought up to our Discord link, where all you have to do is log in or put your username in, and you'll be brought up to our Discord, where there's over 1,000 members, and where all we do is share ideas like how to play Amazon, Facebook, all this fun stuff at all. That being said, you can also join our alert section here as well. Everything is completely free. I post everything here on the small account challenge, so again, it's optional. You don't have to do it, but I post every single play I do on the alert section. It's all 100% free, so check that out. Before we do anything else, let's just cover the markets real quick. It was crazy. Futures last night, so I woke up around 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm looking at futures, I'm like, shit, the Dow's down like 1%, the SPY's down 1.5%. It just looked really bad, but of course Papa Powell came in and just pumped the markets. Now, it looked like it was gonna head lower. It broke 320 support and it just kept bouncing back up. And again, considering that we're up almost 1% after hours, thank you to Facebook, Amazon, Google, Apple. It was just crazy. Some of these plays, take a look here. Look at Apple's at 402. That's just insane. A lot of this stuff, can you say it was expected or was it not expected? Some of it was expected. We knew that Amazon, Facebook, they possibly could have good earnings. It was basically a coin toss bet. I was more bearish, however, I'll be honest. I lost a little bit of money on the main account because I was making small bets on the downside. It wasn't direct plays, mostly on the Qs, and I did sell out of some of them after hours. Right when Facebook reported, I got out of them, so I took a loss there. Wasn't 100% loss, but small loss, nothing to really talk about. But again, today was just wild. So let's just take a look at the alerts and exactly what we did today. So as you guys remember from last video, if you haven't watched yesterday's video, check it out. We did a love contract. We bought these for 57 cents. We got filled yesterday. And again, the market opened up. Let's take a look at love real quick. So the market opened up and it just looked like it was gonna go. Love looked like from yesterday's after hours movement, the money was going into transports, but again, with the market opening almost 2% negative, you don't really have a shot with transports at all. So we had a small little bounce here, I believe it was right over here, and we got out of them and we basically almost broke even. We paid 57 cents and we got filled on these for 55 cents. So I tried to break even for 57, but lower to 55, we all got filled. That was it. We lost 20 bucks on the play. It was a lot more because it did close at 62 yesterday, so you'll see bigger balance drawdown. You'll see $110, and we lost $20 playing TLT. So let's take a look at TLT. We basically said we're gonna buy TLT, and we bought TLT for 55 cents again, and we got filled 10.52, and then we tried to sell at 69 cents. However, we missed the move, couldn't do it. Tried to sell it for 60, didn't work. It just kept going higher. Unfortunately, put an order in for 50 cents, put the alert in, and then I realized that it actually sold at 51, so it's a win-win, I guess. So we bought it for 55, sold at 51. That's $4 difference. We bought 4 contracts, so that's $16. So we lost $16 on TLT. Not a bad play at all. It could have been a lot better as well. Take a look here. Now again, looking at TLT, you'll notice that after hours, it's trading lower as well. So looking at the hindsight, of course, knowing that if Fang was just going to kill earnings, this would have been a great hell as well. But with all that being said, it's just crazy to consider where Apple, Facebook, Amazon, all the Fangs at. Even Google did great. Not one of them missed. Not one of them is red. So the market is definitely going to go up tomorrow. How much is it going to go up? Who the heck knows? Again, we're looking at currently on the SPY, 326.65. That is insane. Considering, where is it going to go? Is it going to go to 330 Friday? Can it possibly happen? It can. It's just tough market right now. It's basically if you buy here and there's any kind of news or event, you'll be bag holding for a while. It's tough to buy at the highs. It's always to buy when there's a dip. It's a better opportunity because you create yourself more leverage of error. Even if you're wrong, you have a better chance of making money because stocks typically long-term go up. So it's a tough decision to do. Again, the market is full of opportunities. We currently have right about 750 bucks, give or take. That being said, it's Friday. It's all cash going in. I'm thinking of doing at least 4 or 5 plays on the small account challenge. $100, $200 plays here and there. And again, we're playing a cash account, so basically there's no day trading rules for us. As long as we have the cash, we can do the plays. Now, what plays am I thinking about? Well, I don't know. I mean, I'm definitely not going to chase tech right now. This is crazy. Maybe buy a small put at open on tech just in case they sell off a little bit. But I don't know. We just got to see how it opens, the momentum, and all that fun stuff. I mean, I bet even Microsoft's after hours as well. Yep, it is. I mean, so we can play a lot of these earnings. I believe Microsoft might be a good call play. It may just bounce up with Apple, with Amazon, all the other things as well. Again, banks not getting a break, so it's kind of tough. Transports got clapped today and yesterday. What can you possibly do? It's really tough to make money unless you're on the right side, made the right call. Trading 50-50 longevity, you can win, but typically saying it's not reality. You can't typically win all the time. In a 50-50 shot, as long as you know how to cut your losses, long term you'll win. With the TLT play, it was really tough to cut losses because of the fact that we were actually making money at one point and then it kind of just bounced up. Just really difficult, but unfortunately, I knew the reality of it. If we didn't cut losses, our $16 loss right now near close could be $220 loss, could be a complete total loss because these options do expire tomorrow, so there was a really small chance of that happening. But anyways, guys, I'm glad some of you guys made money. Stay tuned. Tomorrow is going to be an amazing day. Hit the like button, subscribe, share on our stock tweets, tag me so I know who you are.